around the nation, to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.
My name is Dr. Ambassador Emily Andrew, the CEO of Supreme Family and the North Central Coordinator of Tinubu is Fixing Nigeria. As you can see, we are all doing this peaceful work for peace and for the respect of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We are coming out to show him support and love, that we are with him. As you can see, women everywhere, all the women come out to support our president, to tell him that we are grateful for what he has been doing. We are seeing the work he is doing. That is the aim of using everybody in this place. The message of hope I have for Nigeria is they should relax. Tinubu is fixing Nigeria, and very soon they will see, they will test, and they will hear it, and it will come to their doorstep. So they should keep believing that it is going to fix everything for us.
But madam, it's 3 years now. Some people may not believe you that Tinubu is fixing Nigeria. What do you have to tell them?
Yes, some people may not believe us. Those, especially, that is why we are here to talk about it, to talk to the grassroots, to let them know the good work of our president, Mr. Bola Ahmed.
Thank you very much.
Dr. Ambassador Joyce, North Central Coordinator, Tinubu is fixing Nigeria.
From around the nation to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.